It's just for you, baby. Nobody else. Don't share this with your family. This is ours. This moment, this truth, this secret. You have to know from very first time I laid eyes on you, something shifted inside me. My dear, I need to tell you something so raw, so real, that it's been weighing heavily on my heart for days now. I have tried to keep it to myself. I have tried to silence the part of me that's been screaming to speak, but I can't anymore. It's just for you, baby, nobody else. Don't share this with your family. This is ours, this moment, this truth, this secret. You have to know from very first time I laid eyes on you, something shifted inside me. It was like the world stopped for a brief second, and it was just you and me standing in that moment, surrounded by a kind of electricity I can't even explain. I thought I understood love before, but then you came into my life and I realized how wrong I was. I love you deeply, completely. But here's the thing, I haven't been able to admit to anyone, even to myself, until now. I am scared, I am terrified of what this could mean, of what we are becoming. I have never felt this way about anyone before, baby. So consumed, so swept away by someone's presence that it feels like my world revolves around you, and it scares me. We have been living in this beautiful, chaotic bubble of moments together, and every time I think about the future, I get lost in what it might be. I want to build a life with you. I want to grow old with you, hold you close through every storm and every sunshine. But there's a part of me, a selfish part, that knows that if I bring this to the surface, if I share this with the world, especially with your family, it might shatter everything we have. It's not that I don't trust them. It's not that I don't want them to see what you mean to me. But I have realized that our love, as it is fragile. It's pure in a way that feels true, sacred to expose to the world. And maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm being foolish, But the idea of anyone else having a say in what's between us feels like it could tear us apart. And now here's the twist I wasn't ready to face. I'm holding back from fully embracing you, fully claiming you as mine in front of the world because I am afraid. Not of losing you, but of the world losing us. Of their judgments, their opinions, creeping into something that's meant to be ours alone. And it hurts because I want to shout from the rooftops how much I love you, how much I need you, but I feel like there's a delicate balance we have to protect. So this is just for you, Daddy, my deepest, rawest truth. I love you. I don't know what comes next for us. I don't know if this is forever or just a chapter in our story. But what I do know is that right now, this love is mine to keep, just as it's yours. And I will protect it, keep it safe in my heart for as long as I can. Please don't share this with anyone. Not yet, it's not time, it's only for you. Yours in the secret world we have built. Promise me, baby, hold this close, keep it tucked where only you can reach it, but don't let anyone touch what we have built. Not even with words, because this love is sacred. It's the kind of love that does need to be paraded around to be powerful. You are mine, I am yours, quietly, boldly, eternally, and I love you deeply, secretly, loudly, every single day. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.